how to change your username on Clubhouse. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your username on Clubhouse. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Clubhouse application and make sure that you're signed in to your account. So guys, once you open your application, all you need to do is to tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Once you tap on that one, as you can see, there is your profile picture, and just below your profile picture you will find your display name and your username as well. So just tap on that username. Once you tap on the username, they say change your username. Do you want to change it? So guys, here you will find your old username. You need to erase that one till the @ sign, and you can select a new username that you want to change it. So guys, once you type in the new username, all you need to do is to tap on the update option at the bottom. So once you tap on that one, there is an important message will pop up. As you can see, that make sure it's right. You can only change it once in a while. Your username will be updated to the new one. So guys, if you want to change the username, make sure that the username that you choose will stay permanent, because you cannot change it again and again. So guys, if you're satisfied with your new username, just tap on looks good. So guys, as you can see, my username has been changed. So guys, this is all it takes to change your username on Clubhouse. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.